Some mornings don't need an announcement, you just feel it in the air. The clouds sit a little lower, the hills disappear into the mist, and the cold lingers longer than usual. It's been a while since we woke up to a morning like this, but it reminds us that nature moves in seasons, and sometimes change announces itself quietly. Hi, my name is Sowino. I tell stories of my life through cooking videos, farming, and homesteading life in general. If this is the kind of content that interests you, kindly click the subscribe button for more amazing videos. We received another package from Tungsten Electricals, and I'm honestly so excited about this one. They're currently having an India sale, and they have some really good items that will look beautiful in any home. There's something for everyone, whether you're building, renovating, or just upgrading your space. So let's unbox this together and see what they sent us. Lighting really changes how a space feels. The house already has this deep, rich brown color, and because of that, we were very intentional about the lights we chose. We wanted something simple but with beautiful details, lights that don't shout but still make the space feel warm and welcoming. Lighting really sets the mood of a home, and with the earth tones we've gone for, these pieces will help bring out that cozy, calm feeling we want this space to have. I honestly can't wait to see how this house will feel at night. During the day, the earth tones already gave it so much character, but at night is when our home really comes alive. The soft lights, the shadows on the walls, the quiet around the homestead. I imagine it feeling calm, warm, and very grounding. This place keeps reminding me that a home isn't just about walls and roofs. It's about how it makes you feel when the day ends and you finally slow down. Now that you're done with the lights, I can't wait to see them all installed. Don't forget, if you need lights, shower heads, or any other electrical supplies, check out Tungsten Electricals. While the electricians get to work, we're also taking time to clear this area. We don't like doing things just for the sake of doing them. Every corner of our homestead has to be intentional, so we are clearing the bushes here, thinking ahead about how this space will fit into the bigger picture of the compound. We started finally fixing the lights, and let me tell you, these fixtures should really come with instructions. We found ourselves jumping from one tutorial to another, trying to figure out how everything goes together. It was a bit of a struggle at first, but after some trial and error, we finally got the hang of it. Jemu nipatie hiyo skiwa ya kuchoma nyama.
Ama ungetoa hiyo bulb kwanza.
The first fixture has finally been installed. We'll cover the black wires later so everything looks neat. But even for now, it already looks really good. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. We have a full playlist showing how this journey started from the very beginning up to where we are now. Feel free to watch and tell us what you think. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts on the progress so far. And don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. For now, we decided to focus on fixing just these two lights for the bedrooms, and then we head outside and start installing the outdoor lights.
Unasema hapo eh? I absolutely love these outdoor lights. The rest of the fixtures will be installed tomorrow, but I couldn't wait to show you this. Share in the comments which lights were your favorite from the unboxing and what you enjoyed most about the video. Keep building, keep dreaming, and most importantly, live the life that feels true to you. Until next time, bye. We shall try again tomorrow.